Hi everyone, I just released a new version and this time I will show you how to create a shortcut for bot command. For example, we will create two commands. Which one will close chat and another one which one will add a subject. And we will add a keyboard shortcuts for that. So first of all, very simple one to how to close a chat. So we add command close. We want it to be silent, so it will not store any message that it was a command executed, and we click and we choose keyboard Alt and C, and let's save. Now if we start the chat, just hi there, the chat should be started, and now if I click Alt C, and chat is, if we refresh, chat is closed. So this is one quick way to do. Another way, we want to add a subject on keyboard click. So what we have to do, we have to create a simple bot, or we can use this one, just add subject, and now we go to subjects themselves. We create a nice good chat, for example, and now this ID is 1. We have this bot configuration, add response, we choose date current chat, add set subject, and 1. Now we can create a shortcut for that. We go to commands. No. We want subject good. We not want to store anything, and we want to add also update status. So right column will be updated. And now we choose bot, demo bot, and add subject. And we want to add shortcut, and this time will be Alt G, and we now have this Alt G. Now because this one is closed chat, let's end it. Let's start another chat. Now if I go here and accept it, no, I want to accept it in dashboard. So I just click it here, and if I click Alt G, you see keyboard subject appeared, and there was no message here. If you want, you can, for example, we go again to bot commands. We can go from good. We can add additional message, and subject was added. This message will be shown to operator, but it will not be stored. So for example, if I do Alt G, you see subject was added, but if I refresh, this message does not pollute our chat history. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.